The call to invest more in practical education to better prepare graduates for the labor market has once again been emphasized. A senior lecturer in the Mass Communication Department of Crawford University, Dr. Abimbola Adekemi Oluyemi, made the appeal during a practical training session for 100 and 200 level students of the institution. Dr. Oluyemi noted that the session was designed to equip students with hands-on experience, thereby enhancing their readiness for the job market.
The question is, what is the importance and the relevance of practical or hands-on? We call it hands-on in some instances, is to actually prepare our graduates for the labor market. So I can say that practical is essential and that have to be entrenched in all if we want our graduates to be employable or marketable.
She stressed that practical education is essential for making graduates more competitive and adaptable in today's global workforce. She further stated that empowering Nigerian youths through practical learning will help them unlock their creativity and reach their full potential.
Nigerian youth, they have ideas. In fact, I'm very proud of them because just give them, go and do this and close your eyes. If you empower them, they are going to give you so much. They are our future today. They are our future tomorrow. They are not youth of tomorrow. No, we need them now. We need their knowledge. We even need to marry their own knowledge with the one. We need to bridge the gap between the old school and the new school. They know so much when it comes to all this. They know so much. Just give them a little push. Understand? Just give them a little push. By the time you give them a little push, you will see them. They are going to deliver. And you can, as you testify today, you will see that they are going to deliver and deliver more.
Some of the students who participated in the session described the experience as enlightening.
So it was really interesting, honestly. But preparing was definitely very difficult, and it was really nice. We really learned a lot from the whole experience, and I look forward to doing more of practical exercises because it's not always just theoretical parts that we have to deal with in mass comm. So I like how now we're getting into like practical aspects. It's more fun, it's more creative. We get to use our brains. Just touching horizons I've not actually gotten to before. So I learned a lot from this little presentation we did, and I'm looking
I
forward to
am
more
Fashmo
practicals.
Michael, reporting.